Welcome back to the Griddle, guys. We got Nate, Jeff, Chris. We're in my backyard tonight. Seems like night, even though it's
gonna
not.
be night soon.
Yeah.
On the menu, we've had a lot of, by popular demand, request, shrimp and grits. We're gonna give it a try. We're not afraid. So we're gonna give you our spin on it. Nate's gonna.
I'm working on the grits this time. I'm gonna try and make it a little bit more savory, something to go with the. Well, we didn't know what we were doing with the grits last time.
What?
Not at all.
No. So a lot of you guys told us a whole bunch of great suggestions. So
We've taken it all in.
we've taken it all in. I'm gonna make a savory, pillowy grit, hopefully, to go with Chris's shrimp.
And we are grits guys. We did say that.
Yeah,
now
we're
we're grits
the
guys.
grits guys now. Not really, but we're going right at it. We're gonna add some nice. We got some big shrimp to go with it. It's basically the shrimp that I did that night for the Griddle accessories.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So it's the same shrimp there, which we didn't show you. We're gonna show you that tonight. So stay tuned. It's gonna be delicious.
So here's my plan with the grits. I got 4 cups of chicken stock, and these are instant grits. I'm sure there'll be comments about that. But I got about just under a cup. I want to start thin with the grits and figure I can thicken them up if I need to, because I'm going for like a whipped potato consistency on this. So 4 cups of chicken stock, just under a cup of instant grits, and I'm gonna put a tiny little bit of soy sauce in. That's not because I want them to taste like soy, it's just to make them more savory. Chris's shrimp has a lot of garlic in it.
A lot of butter, a lot of garlic.
Yeah, so I don't
red
want to do
pepper.
anything that's gonna contrast with all that garlic. A lot of suggestions were for some cheese, so again, make it a little bit more savory. Some Parmesan, some salt, and some pepper. Where's the salt? And then once I get them to roughly the consistency I want, I'm gonna go about a stick of butter.
By the way, we can't find real grits around here. Yeah,
No.
Pull the top off. There you go.
It is getting cold
Should
out.
explain on that. We would have tried real grits. but
These
we
are
can't
real
find
grits.
them.
They're just quicker.
Yeah, it's what we could find.
Well, it's like Hussey said, you know, it's not the end of the world.
Right.
All right, these are coming together nicely. Like them so far.
So what do you do now? You just keep stirring? Or you just on high heat?
Yeah, high heat. 5 minutes, they're cooked.
You gotta get the shrimp started.
We'll
then.
see about that.
Yeah. In this temperature, I'm putting the lid on because it's cold out.
Yeah.
So things aren't staying boiling.
Drinks are staying cold.
Yeah. Don't eat ice. All right. So grits are looking good, and I just Chris is gonna start cooking his garlic. He's gonna season this with a little bit of shrimp. That's his plan.
I guess so.
Just to let you guys know on the grits, Jeff, if you want to slide over here, I just dropped a stick of butter in. They're looking pretty good. That shrimp looks good, Chris.
Bang. On there.
Those grits throw a stick of butter?
Threw a stick of butter in. Those have been on for maybe about 10 minutes now. I wouldn't use that as a gauge for anything because it's like, I don't know, 30 degrees out.
These are gonna cook quick though. I don't care how cold it is.
Yeah.
We'll probably do 3 or 4 minutes aside. Actually, after I flip them, let these go right now. They're sitting in the butter, and then I'll flip them once, and then I'll start adding the garlic, a little lemon juice. We also have some red pepper I chopped up. All this is gonna go right in top of the grits to just give it all that extra flavor.
To make official shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits.
These are 8 12-count shrimp, by the way.
These are good size, Jeff. I don't know if you can pan in here or not, but those are good size shrimp. Baby shrimp we call here in New England.
Yeah.
So I originally said we should do this. Jeff, we didn't talk to you about this, but I said to Chris, we should do this with lobster tails.
Oh, wait a second. You left me out of the loop on something? That's a surprise, guys.
We did that on purpose.
That never happened.
You weren't
we did that
answering.
on purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah. As usual, we texted you and got no reply.
If you heard lobster, you would have showed up at my house with 12 lobsters. Say, let's go.
Yeah.
Lobster and grits.
So anyways, you're going to try with lobster?
No, so I thought it would be funny if we used a lobster tail and kept calling it a shrimp, you know? Chris put the kibosh
Yeah,
on
I
that.
put
He's
the
like,
kibosh.
No, we're doing legit shrimp and grits.
Oh, yeah, these are already cooking. I gotta flip them already.
Yeah.
They look nice, though.
Grits actually smell good too.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta throw some pepper on these and a little red. Nate, you wanna grab the pepper shaker?
Yep.
Please?
Would that be the same thing as a pepper mill, or
Yeah, whatever. Grab the red hot,
you
too.
want that one, or you want this one?
The red.
That one's fine.
That the red hot would be the same thing as the
Yeah.
red pepper flake?
You got it.
Perfect.
You can hit that at the same time I hit these.
I don't think Frank would be happy with that.
Whoops, I just broke your lid.
Oh, no. Oh, at least you've broken on the right side.
Otherwise, you would have had to pull a Jeff and
Yeah.
tape down the other side. Smells good, Chris.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, this one's gonna give me a hard time. All right. So you know what? Let's add that lemon juice, Nate. And actually, give me some of the garlic first. I'm not gonna do the whole thing of garlic here. Just a little bit.
Just
Throw a little in the
touch.
butter
Just
too.
a touch.
Get that in
This
the
is
butter.
why I didn't put garlic in the grits.
Just a tiny bit of garlic. That's lemon.
Some lemon juice. Let's throw these in here as well. Red pepper.
It's starting to look good.
Oh, smell good.
Yeah.
Looks good.
First official foray into shrimp and grits.
This I could actually see doing.
Oh,
I like the grits as a side there. Quick and easy.
these shrimp are
When
nice
you buy
and
the instant
meaty.
ones.
Nice and meaty.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, time to plate.
Time to plate.
We're looking ready.
Put it on the table.
Yeah.
Oh, shrimp look awesome.
Grits are hopefully delicious.
Good. Smells a lot better than the last time. They're smooth.
They're definitely smooth.
They're smooth.
I was gonna rub them down. I don't even have to.
All right. Now for the money added. Make these shrimps good. Look at that, Jeff. See that? I'm just gonna throw these. I want to be gentle as I can with these. I don't want to put too many.
Oh, jeez.
It's a thing of beauty.
Looks like we're low on garlic. You want to throw some more in there, Chris?
Flavor. Look at that. Wow.
Wow.
Hold on. I'm not gonna forget you guys.
This is nice. It's warming up my hand, too.
Look at that.
Guys.
That looks good.
You know what? Maybe we are going to be shrimp and grits, guys. After all.
I am excited to try it.
As I'm pouring the grits out of the
Let's see.
tunk. Jeez.
All right, guys, ready to dress these up. Look how beautiful that looks as soon as Jeff gets the camera off me. I'm just going to hit it with a little leftover this butter right over the top.
More garlic
Look at
in the
that.
butter, right, Chris?
Look at that. Nate's going to hit it with some
Got some
Nate loves
crumbled bacon that we had.
nice crumbly bacon.
We cooked that right before. And I'm going to hit it with some green onion, too, at the same time. Look at that.
That looks fabulous.
Nice.
All right, guys, we are going to taste this. This looks so good. We're going to take some pictures first because that's good.
Yeah.
That looks
Here,
really
Donkey,
good.
Over here, Donkey. Over here.
Shrimp and grits, Jeff. What do you say?
Done.
Done!
Grits, guys.
Yes! That is shrimp and grits. I'm very excited about this. Time to dig in.
Time to dig in. You guys already
Bite.
dug in.
Look at that bite.
You guys are too busy eating it to say how it tastes. I love it. That's awesome.
Oh, the butter.
Wow.
Bacon. Shrimp. Garlic. Not tasting any soy.
That's good.
No
That's
soy.
good.
Doesn't
Oh my God.
no salt really.
Red
I mean, it's
pepper.
just like spot
I'm
on.
getting the red pepper on the end.
He does.
I am amazed at how good these grits are right now. I swear to God. I am a grits guy now. This is fantastic.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
To know that you can add so much stuff to it to change the flavor, this is excellent.
Jeff, I take it you like it. You're awfully quiet over there.
I'm surprised how much I like it.
Yeah?
I don't know. Maybe the only time I had grits before, it was just mild. I don't know. But texture's awesome.
Almost tastes like mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Tons of flavor. I mean,
my
tons
God.
of flavor. Yeah, this is definitely spot on.
And Chris didn't kill it with the garlic on the shrimp?
It's not that
Oddly
bad.
enough, no.
No.
Really?
No.
Yeah. I'm surprised. I'm getting a little garlic, but I'm not being overkilled with it.
Nope.
Are you?
Not at all.
Oh my God, so good. The red pepper flakes, I like it.
Yeah, it
You
was a
can
good
taste
touch.
it.
Nice
Yeah, it's a
touch.
nice touch.
So you definitely cook this again?
100% for me.
All right.
Yeah, I actually might too.
Yeah, I really like the grits. I mean, I know we used instant grits, but it's a quick, easy side. All right, let's move on to the scorecard because I'm actually starting to see snowflakes. So cook complexity, we got a score of 0 to 5. What do you guys think?
5 being the easiest.
5 being you did it one-handed with your eyes closed while having a drink.
I think 3.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to keep an eye on the grits. Maybe even a 4 because it really is simple. But
Very simple as far as just bring it to a boil, add the grits, and watch it. I'm going to say 4.
I'll settle the argument. Okay, so you're 3 or 4?
4.
4? All right, so 4 on cook complexity, flavor. The dog won't eat it. Well, clearly that's not the score because Duncan's down there begging.
Poor guy.
Is he really? I didn't notice.
And then Gordon Ramsay asked us to teach him to make this. So that's the scale, 0 to 5.
This kills me to say, but I call it a 5. It's like
Does it kill you to say it because Chris cooked it?
because Chris cooked it, you had a part in it, and it's grits, so it's
All right.
killing me.
Well,
But
listen, if Jeff's giving it a 5, I'm going 5 all the way.
I'm a 5.
I put this at
all
a
the way.
5, man.
Honest to God.
Actually, I'm going to give it a 0 because I can't taste it.
Yeah. But the flavor that we're getting from this is incredible. Wow.
Wow factor.
Hasa, you put us on to something. I am very happy right now.
Wow factor, no one noticed or everyone Instagrammed it? I think this is Instagrammable all day, every day.
Yeah.
4 or 5, pick
5.
a number.
I just,
5. I'm with Jeff.
Feeling like Chris sandbagged this cook.
No,
He
no
just wants this
sandbagging.
cook to be super high.
Trust me, I wasn't looking forward to shrimp and grits, but this came out excellent.
yeah.
All right, so we got the ingredient list. A 0 means it took 4 trips to 3 different markets to collect your ingredients, and a 5 would mean, cool, I have most of the stuff already.
I'll go 4 because I had to go get the shrimp. And I think that's about it.
I'm going to go 3 because finding grits in New England
Oh, the
isn't
grits.
that easy.
Yeah.
And finding shrimp in other parts isn't that easy either sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go with a 3 too.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 3.5.
So, Chris, if you can just remember all the scores you just gave and add them up real quickly for the subscribers.
Umpteen.
All right, but definitely a win. And
Yeah.
thank you to all the folks down south who gave us great suggestions.
Yeah, thank
know.
you guys. We appreciate you. We're so happy you're part of our family now. We look forward to
Duncan does
seeing
too.
more of you. So does Duncan. Keep it up. Thanks for joining us. And guys, like, subscribe,
Yeah.
We'll see you on the next
hit
one.
the bell.
share.
Done.
See you in the next video.
This is awesome. This is so good.